Are you ready to clean some dirt areas that have been hard to get? Check out this steamer with me. I was just gifted. Let's unbox this baby and see how it works. This compact powerhouse comes with multiple attachments. This is the end piece where you will put the attachments where the steam comes out of. And this is the area that is the steam relief valve. And I love the fact that it has a long cord and accessories like this funnel and these attachment heads. And it has a little pad, a cloth pad that you can put over top of another attachment as well. So to start it up, you just simply unscrew the top, unscrew it all the way. And this is where you're going to put the water in. You do not fill this completely with water. You're going to measure it from the given container and pour it through the funnel. And then you screw this top back on, and then you are going to simply plug this in and it's going to heat up. So you have a light that is red and that's going to pop over to green. Now we're going to get my grout super clean because it has been bugging me for a while and I need a powerful clean on it. So I attach this skinny nozzle to it. You flip this up, which I really like with kids to keep it safety. And I attach the brush nozzle to the end and power it away. This is doing so good to get away the tough stains on grout, because otherwise I was left with using a toothbrush to clean my grout, and trust me, that is not fun. So I did all of my grout on my towel, and then at the end I took this other accessory and put the cloth on it to just do kind of like a quick wipe up and do over the top of my grout and towel, and it is just shining gorgeous. I really love how the pressurized steam makes cleaning just fast and deep, gets all those cruddy areas that are hard to get sometimes. And so along my tub edge, I have an area that also likes to get built up. So I'm going to try this long accessory and put the skinny piece on the end, and we're going to blow some steam at that. And then I'm going to wipe that up, and it's going to be so much easier to wipe up than just using a regular scrubbing brush. This is also going to work great for entryways of doors and for shower doors and for cars. Anywhere else that needs that, like that deep clean. It's up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit of steam power, and it's safe on multiple surfaces, and it's chemical free, and it's so easy to maneuver. Make sure when you are finished that you wait about 8 to 10 minutes, and then that release valve, you're just going to loosen it so that steam releases some more, and then it will be easy to take off next time. Highly recommend this for an action-packed clean. Simplifying my life as a busy mama is so important. So try it out, see what it does for you.